Have you ever wished you had a real-life robot friend like a superhero has? Well, guess what? That technology is actually here, and it is living right inside your computer. Are you tired of doing boring chores on your screen? Do you wish your computer could just do the work for you while you go out and play? In this video, I am showing you the secret tool that is going to change everything. And stick around until the end because I am going to show you how this robot can actually talk to your friends for you. Meet OpenClaw. Some people used to call him Moltbot or Clawdbot, but now he has a new name. Think of him like a tiny invisible helper that stays in your room. He is open source, which just means he is a gift for everyone in the whole world to use for free. Most robots live far away in big buildings called clouds, but this one is special. He lives right on your own machine. This keeps your secrets safe and your data private. But here is the crazy part. He does not just sit there. He can actually move things around. Wait, it gets even cooler. Imagine your computer has its own set of hands. OpenClaw can use those hands to check your calendar or send emails while you are taking a nap. He can even jump into apps like Discord, Telegram, or Slack to say hello for you. But you might be wondering, is he hard to control? Well, I am about to tell you the one thing that makes him way smarter than any other app you have ever used. He is an autonomous agent. That is a big word for a robot that can think for itself. If you tell him to plan a party, he does not just open a list. He goes out, finds the best time, writes the invitations, and sends them all out. He reads and writes files just like a real student in school. He is basically your personal Jarvis from the movies. But there is one big thing you need to know before you start using him, and I am going to reveal that in just a few seconds. Because he is open source, he is constantly growing and getting stronger every single day. He is like a digital pet that does your homework. But what happens if he runs into a problem he has never seen before? That is where the real magic happens. He can actually write his own computer scripts to fix his own problems. It is like a toy that can fix its own broken wheels. It sounds like science fiction, right? But it is happening right now, right on your desk. So if you want a helper that never gets tired and keeps your data private, OpenClaw is your new best friend. It is the future of how we use computers, and you are getting in on the ground floor. Remember that secret I mentioned about talking to your friends? He can manage your whole social life while you focus on the fun stuff. This is the ultimate way to level up your life. If you are ready to have your own robot assistant, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. We are going to explore so many more cool tools together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.